Good morning, bonjour, miriwe people. Welcome back to Summer Out with KKI. You're with your host Kamanzi Neza Keren. And today, people, we're at this beautiful, calm, peaceful place, Ubucuti Lodge, and I'm very thrilled and excited and grateful to the managers, the staff, and especially the owners that gave me the privilege to come to this beautiful property. I'm beyond excited and more excited to bring you guys with me throughout this journey. Come on, let's start the tour. So before we start, let me brief you guys a little bit about this property. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 executive bedrooms, and 1 suite. Each has a bathroom, so in total, it makes 8 bathrooms. It is open 24/7, and this is Ubucuti Lodge. Come with me. So here we have the living room area. It's a very beautiful, calm place to just sit with people, relax with family, locking in whatever you're doing. So let's start over here. We have this beautiful table with a lot of different sculptures, vases, decoration. It is so beautiful around here. And then here we have this fireplace, a very nice time to relax with the couches, a very nice time to relax with your people, the people that you love, and locking in the inside world. And I really appreciate that there is no TV in this area, so you can lock in with the people that you love and just, just connect with the family. After that, we have this sitting area where you can just take breakfast from, coffee, or just sit. Very comfortable, very cozy, and honestly, best perfect place to take breakfast from or just talk, In this property, we have a lot of sitting areas where you can just sit and relax. We have this beautiful sitting area where you can just sit, admire the view that's about to come. Honestly, such a great view. And also here, right in front of us, we have a kind of like a dining table where you can take breakfast from, dinner from, just sit in the morning and also admire the view that's about to come. And then here we have a lamp, a lot of different sculptures. We have some wine, cigars, sculptures all around the property that define the beauty of this property. On this side, we have the TV, big TV where you can enjoy and relax and watch whatever you want. And like I said, I really appreciate the fact that TV is like separated from the main living area because it just gives you some time to disconnect. And it's really a really important thing to me. So after that, we have the bar coming up next, right over there. So this is the bar area where you can order anything you want, coffee, wine, drinks, any type of drinks you want. Anyway, here you go. And then we have this big table, very cozy couches, and then there's also the view of the lake right there. It is so pretty over here, very calm, and it is so amazing. The drinks, the food here, amazing. Right here we have a beautiful dining area where you can take breakfast, lunch, or dinner from. Beautiful marble tables, very beautiful cute chairs, and lamps over here, very beautiful. And here we have a staircase that leads us all the way to the pool. But before that, we're gonna go check out the balcony. Here we're at the balcony. Very cute, very beautiful, very simple, but at the same time so attractive. And right behind me, people, right in front of me, I mean, there's this beautiful view of Lake Kivu, mountains, the pool right down there. It's honestly beautiful and amazing. Honestly, people, look how beautiful this view is. You have the beautiful mountains over there. The lake just looks so beautiful. It is so peaceful. The peace here is just unimaginable. As in, what God's creation do we better? It is so beautiful and amazing around here. The trees, the green and the blue, is just amazing. Right now we're outside where we have the pool, jacuzzi and sauna. Right here we have the infinity edge pool, giving us the view of the amazing Lake Kivu. And then here we have the 4 executive bedrooms. There we have the jacuzzi. Here we have the jacuzzi, here we have another sitting area, and over there we have the massaging room. So right now we're about to go check the sauna out right over here. Let's go. So this is the sauna. It looks very pretty. About 4 or 5 people can fit in here. And I can literally hear my echo in here, honestly. It looks very comfortable. It is very comfortable and honestly very, very calming for sure. So right here we have the suite. Here we have a little sitting area, a beautiful couch, a lamp over here. A very, very cozy couch, by the way. Here we have a big, huge TV right in front of me. Some beautiful lamps over here. More beautiful sculptures around here. And then here we have the bedroom, bro. Like, it is so pretty. It's a king-size bed, full king-size bed, small sitting area over here. We have the wardrobe over here. We have the mirror right over there, where we have water, wine station, somewhere where you can sit, do your makeup or just work, you know, everything you want to do around here. And then one of my favorite spots in all of this room is this sitting area, because I mean, look at the view that is in front of me. It is so good, so peaceful to be around here. You just think and just admire what is in front of you. It is so pretty and just so beautiful to be around here. But here we have a small fridge where you can get anything to drink, whatever you want, which I found it's so cool, honestly. And just take it to drink, admire the view and everything you have in front of you, honestly, because it's just amazing. Right now we're in the bathroom, very cozy bathroom, beautiful. Right here we have 2 goldish sinks. I found it very beautiful. I've never seen it anywhere else. You have warm water and you can also have cold water, which I found very, very cool. You have some drawers over here. You have a bathtub, and when you're in this bathtub, the view right in front of you is just amazing. Like honestly, perfect. Here we have a shower, we have a toilet, we have some rugs over here. Honestly, the best bathroom. It looks super cozy to be here with a friend, with a husband, you know. It's very, very chill. Right here we have the balcony where you can sit, relax, obviously enjoy the pretty view. You know, not too much to say, but it's honestly really beautiful and amazing. Like just the view is incredible. The lake, the mountains, so pretty. Si on est là aujourd'hui, c'est grâce à la propriétaire et la CEO de Africa Tours, qui est une agence de voyage et de tourisme. Madame Charlotte, ça va?
Ça va très bien et merci beaucoup de m'avoir invitée.
De rien, bienvenue to Somewhere Else with KKI.
Merci beaucoup.
Je vais vous demander quelques petites questions. Vous êtes prête?
Je suis prête.
Oui. Alors, comment vous avez trouvé cet endroit d'abord?
Bon, disons, comme tu viens de le dire, hein, je suis dans le secteur du tourisme et du voyage. Et quand j'arrive quelque part, la première des choses, hein, c'est de savoir qu'est-ce qui est autour de moi. Parce que mes clients, qui viennent du monde entier, ils achètent les billets, mais parfois ils veulent découvrir le pays, l'endroit où nous sommes. Alors pour le moment, je suis dans la région des Grands Lacs. L'agence est à Goma, mais je peux amener mes clients partout dans le monde. Et j'aime cet endroit. Quand je l'ai découvert, je suis tombée en amour. Comme tu l'as vu, hein, je suis tombée en amour. Et les clients, quand ils me demandent où ils peuvent se reposer, je leur propose cet endroit, Ubucuti Lodge.
C'est trop ça. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez autant à propos de Ubucuti Lodge?
Comme je viens de le dire, hein, je suis tombée en amour. Pourquoi je suis tombée en amour? Parce que vous arrivez dans Ubucuti Lodge, vous sentez la sérénité. Or, un voyageur qui veut se reposer, qui veut découvrir un pays, il a envie d'entrer, d'avoir ce genre d'expérience où tu arrives, tu es dans un endroit calme comme celui-ci, c'est reposant. Alors, il y a le repos qu'on ressent ici. Il y a le paysage qui est merveilleux comme tu l'as vu. Il y a le lac Kivu qui est devant nous. C'est quelque chose d'extraordinaire. Or, le client qui arrive, le touriste qui arrive, la première chose, c'est de découvrir un paysage merveilleux, un cadre merveilleux, et Ubucuti Lodge remplit toutes les conditions. Et c'est comme ça que je tombe en amour. Et je recommande cet endroit à toutes les personnes qui me fréquentent.
C'est trop beau l'endroit, c'est trop beau.
C'est trop beau.
T'es trop à l'aise ici.
Yeah, c'est trop beau, et ce que je peux dire d'Ubucuti Lodge, Ubucuti qui est dans Gisenyi, dans Rubavu, c'est pas très loin de Kigali, c'est 4 heures de route. Cet endroit vaut la peine. Et un tour sur le lac, c'est facile à faire. Donc c'est une très bonne expérience pour n'importe quel touriste.
Merci beaucoup, ça a été un plaisir.
C'est moi qui te remercie d'avoir passé ces moments merveilleux avec toi.
Oui, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.